Hi everyone and welcome. Getting a hair transplant is a serious decision, and we know many of you are researching clinics, methods, and costs before making a choice. Today, we'll focus specifically on FUE hair transplant costs in Turkey, comparing prices, explaining packages, and helping you understand what to expect. By the end of this video, you'll know realistic pricing, package content, and why Turkey is a trusted destination for hair restoration. FUE hair transplant prices in Turkey range from €1,500 to €4,000, depending on the clinic and package. That is 60% less than the USA hair transplant surgery costs. Always look for packages that provide value for money, proper aftercare, and experienced surgical teams. In the USA, operation alone costs from $10,000 to $20,000, excluding anesthesia, consultation, accommodation, and aftercare. The total can reach $30,000 and even more. In the UK, average FUE costs range from £4,000 to £12,000, depending on clinic and session requirements. For 4,000 grafts and more, multiple sessions might be required in the US and in the UK, making the total cost 5 to 6 times higher than in Turkey. Most Turkish clinics use all-inclusive fixed-price packages rather than charging per grafts. Packages include medical operation, surgical fees, and aftercare. Number of graft is calculated based on patient need and donor area strength. This prevents unexpected costs for international patients traveling thousands of kilometers. Turkey's prices are lower not because clinics cut corners, but because the system is efficient and well established. First, there are highly experienced surgeons and clinic here as well. Many clinics perform hair transplant every day, which allows them to maintain high quality and safety while being efficient. Second, the operational costs in Turkey, things like maintenance, staff, and medical supplies are much lower than in the US or UK. That naturally helps keep the prices more affordable. Third, the government actively supports and regulates medical tourism, making sure that clinics follow strict hygiene and safety standards. And finally, competition and patient volume play a big role. Clinics see patients from all over the world, so they provide comprehensive, value-for-money packages without compromising care. That's why patients from the US, UK, and Europe choose Turkey. It's not just cheaper, it is safe, regulated, and trusted worldwide. At Vera Clinic, we offer different all-inclusive FUE packages with prices starting from €3,200. The cost depends on what you want in your package. For example, PRP therapy is always included as a supplementary treatment. If you want to add additional treatment, the price can increase a little bit, but every package still includes everything you need for a safe and efficient hair transplant. This way, you know exactly what you're paying for. There are no hidden fees, and all essential services are included. When you're traveling to Turkey for your hair transplant, the main thing you need to budget for are your flights and personal expenses, like food, shopping, or sightseeing. Everything else, like your surgery, treatment, aftercare, hotel stay, it is all already included in your all-inclusive package. So while you're here, you can enjoy Istanbul and the rest of Turkey at your own pace, without worrying about hidden costs from the clinic. At Vera Clinic, we're proud to have treated over 4,000 patients in more than 13 years, delivering natural-looking results and personalized care. Our approach combines experienced surgeon, advanced technology, and meticulous aftercare. Patient satisfaction is our priority, and we continuously answer the most common questions to help you make informed decisions. Because at Vera Clinic, we do not just perform hair transplant, we provide the most natural hair transplant result you can trust.